When someone gives you a present, of course, you're very happy that you got a gift. But at the end of the day, it's really all about what the gift actually was. Let's say you wanted the latest pair of super-duper, all whistles and bells, Grindley Gibbons Mark V ultralight wraparound headphones with duplex panavistic drivers. And what you got was a very nice pair of Grindley Gibbons Mark IV superlight wraparound headphones without the duplex panavistic drivers. It's very nice, but it wasn't exactly what you wanted. When you give, on the other hand, it's really nothing to do with the thing itself. The thing itself is really just the box, the container. What's inside the box is you. You give yourself. The gift is the giving. Receiving is about what you get. Giving is always about giving yourself. In Parshat Teruma, the Torah says, "Take for me a contribution from every person whose heart motivates him." Why doesn't it say, "Give for me"? Why take for me? God already has everything. We can't give him anything at all, except our hearts. All we can give is the giving itself. The Torah repeats again and again that the people gave as their hearts moved them, because the Mishkan, the tabernacle, was meant to be a dwelling place for the Shekhinah, the divine presence, and the Shekhinah does not dwell in objects. It dwells in our hearts. It dwells where we give ourselves.